Have you ever wished you could manage multiple Android phones from a single computer without buying dozens of physical devices? What if you could run multiple TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, e-commerce, or business accounts while keeping every device completely separate and independent? Well, that's exactly where GeeLark comes in. GeeLark is the first cloud phone infrastructure platform for scaling social media that allows you to remotely control multiple Android devices directly from your computer. Instead of purchasing and maintaining multiple smartphones, you can launch cloud-based Android phones that work just like real devices. In today's video, I'll show you what GeeLark is, how it works, its most powerful features, and why marketers, content creators, e-commerce sellers, developers, and automation enthusiasts are using it to scale their workflows. Let's get started. GeeLark is a cloud phone platform that gives you access to remote Android devices running in the cloud. Think of it as having dozens or even hundreds of Android phones available instantly from your desktop. Each cloud phone operates independently and behaves like a real mobile device. You can install apps, log into accounts, upload content, browse websites, manage social media profiles, and perform mobile-specific tasks without touching a physical phone. The biggest advantage is that everything runs remotely in the cloud, making device management much easier and more scalable. One of GeeLark's most impressive features is its cloud phone technology. Each cloud phone comes with its own unique device fingerprint. This includes MAC address, hardware information, device IDs, system settings, Android environment data. This means every cloud phone appears as a completely different Android device. Instead of multiple accounts appearing to come from the same phone, each profile operates with its own independent mobile identity. GeeLark currently supports multiple Android versions, including Android 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and Android 16, allowing users to choose the environment that best fits their needs. For businesses managing many accounts, this creates a more organized and professional workflow. If you're a content creator, social media manager, or digital marketer, this is where GeeLark becomes extremely useful. Many social media platforms prioritize mobile usage. Features like Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, TikTok uploads, mobile engagement tools, mobile-only platform features often work better through mobile devices. With GeeLark, you can access all these mobile features directly from your computer. You can manage multiple accounts, switch between regions, upload content, interact with audiences, handle different campaigns without constantly changing phones. Everything is organized inside one dashboard. GeeLark isn't just about cloud phones. It also includes powerful AI tools. Inside the platform, you'll find IGZ capabilities that help create unique images and videos. This can be especially helpful for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to generate fresh content faster. Instead of relying entirely on external software, users can access creative AI tools directly within the GeeLark ecosystem. Another useful addition is the built-in AI assistant powered by DeepSeek. The assistant can help users understand GeeLark's features, answer questions, and provide guidance whenever needed. This reduces the learning curve and helps new users get productive faster. Now let's talk about one of GeeLark's strongest advantages: automation. GeeLark includes three major automation systems. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. GeeLark provides ready-made automation templates for popular platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube users. These templates can automate repetitive tasks such as login operations, content posting, likes, comments, routine engagement activities. Users can also create custom workflows tailored to their own processes. This can save a significant amount of time when managing multiple accounts. The synchronizer is another powerful feature. Instead of controlling devices one by one, you can mirror your actions across multiple cloud phones simultaneously. For example, if you're performing an action on your primary cloud phone, GeeLark can replicate the same action across multiple devices at the same time. This dramatically increases efficiency when managing large numbers of profiles. For advanced users and developers, GeeLark offers API access. This allows businesses to integrate GeeLark directly into their own systems and workflows. Developers can build custom automations, management tools, and integrations using GeeLark's API infrastructure. For organizations that require large-scale operations, this provides a high level of flexibility and control. Managing proxies can often become complicated when working working with multiple profiles. GeeLark simplifies this process. Users can import and organize proxy lists inside a centralized management system. When creating new cloud phone profiles, you can quickly assign proxies from your saved collection without manually entering credentials every time. This saves time and helps maintain an organized workflow. Another feature I really like is the built-in App Store. GeeLark provides access to a variety of applications across different categories, such as, and if the application you need isn't available in the store, you can simply upload APK files manually. This gives users flexibility while keeping device management centralized. For agencies and businesses, collaboration is essential. GeeLark makes teamwork much easier. You can create different roles and permission levels for team members. Profiles can be shared across teams while maintaining organized access control. This allows companies to scale operations while keeping management secure and efficient. Manage multiple social media accounts from one dashboard. Access mobile-first features. Switch between regions. Upload content efficiently. Handle campaigns at scale. Whether you're selling through Amazon, Shopee, TikTok Shop, or other platforms, GeeLark allows businesses to manage multiple storefronts from a centralized environment. Combined with automation tools and cloud phones, this can streamline many daily tasks. For users handling multiple online profiles, GeeLark provides an organized way to manage operations without needing a separate physical device for every account. Many crypto projects and Telegram-based ecosystems rely heavily on mobile applications. GeeLark allows users to access and manage multiple mobile environments from a single computer, making mobile-based participation significantly more convenient. For developers, testing apps across different Android versions can be challenging. GeeLark provides access to multiple Android environments, helping developers evaluate performance, compatibility, and user experience across various device setups. GeeLark is much more than a simple Android emulator. It combines cloud phones, unique device environments, AI-powered tools, automation, proxy management, app deployment, and team collaboration into a single platform. Whether you're a social media marketer, content creator, e-commerce seller, developer, or business owner, GeeLark offers a centralized solution for managing Android-based workflows at scale. If you're looking for a smarter way to control multiple Android devices from your computer, GeeLark is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, automation software, and productivity solutions. I'll see you in the next video.